2, 1.
Let's go to Mars.
Jesus.
Attitude incorrect.
Shut down the engines.
Engine's negative. No response. I have got no attitude control.
Manual separation below the bolts.
Negative. The control module doesn't have enough thrust to correct this rotation. We're too steep. We're falling into the atmosphere. Christ, this angle, we're gonna burn up. How much time we got, Phil?
I don't know, 3 minutes? I don't know.
Where's the remote?
Jim, what are you doing here? You're not supposed to be. You're not supposed to be here. How are you here? How are you here?
This is a rescue mission, Luke. What do you wanted me right, see?
I can't. Pressure stabilized. Pressure stabilized.
Jim?
20% atmosphere.
Hi, welcome back.
30% atmosphere.
It worked. Yes, it worked. Way to go, everybody. All right. Yeah. There's a lot of scarring out here.